The oven comes pre-programmed with several menu items to simplify cooking. The home screen on the oven displays pre-programmed recipe options. Scroll up and down with your finger to navigate through on-screen menus. After the oven is finished preheating, the menu appears. To use the programs, open the oven door, place the food item into the oven and close the door. Scroll to choose desired food item from the menu and touch the food item you wish to cook. The cook cycle will begin and the screen will show the remaining time. At the end of the cook cycle, the oven will beep and display an animation. Remove the food from the oven. Your recipes may also be stored in either tabs or folders. To cook or search for a menu item in a tab, switch between tabs located at the top of the screen and touch the desired item to begin. To cook an item in a folder, touch the folder to access those specific menu items. Search for your item and touch to begin.